as you can see, this is Sandbot, the product from Qihan Company. So here I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the hardware part of the robot. And okay, so here is the head part of the robot, and as you can see, here is a 3D camera module, which can be used for dynamic gaming and dynamic control or interaction with the robot. And this part is a camera which can be used to take a video stream from it, and the user will be able to get the video remotely on their PC device or mobile device by using our client application. And here is the eyes part, which can reflect the emotion of the robot. If the robot feels sad or happy, the eyes will change. Yep. And here is a LED light, which can be used in dark environment to get a better light, lighting. Let's turn it. Okay. For this part is a speaker, and this part is a LED. The colorful LED can be used to indicate the state of the robot. So different color means different robot state. And let's move back. So this part is the projector. The projector module can project the content of the screen to the wall, and the maximum size of the image is 50 inches. Okay, so let's go to the top. On the top side, there are some touching points on it. So the robot will be able to get to know the user has touched the robot. So the developer can develop. So it will allow the developer to make more interaction way. Oh, fuck, 这句话很尴尬，那个警察知道。So here are there are some touching points built in the robot, and so it will allow the robot to have more interaction methods with the user, and the developer can also take advantage of the touch sensor. So for example, when I touch the head up, the robot will know that I am touching it. So as you can see, the head is moving, and so it knows I'm touching it. So let's go down a little bit. In the center of the robot is a tablet. So the user can interact with the robot by voice command or touching the tablet. So the tablet is Android phone based, but we are planning to upgrade the system to Android 6.0 in the near future. And there are lots of built-in applications to demo the basic function of a robot. Here, for example, the robot can do dancing. So I'm going to show you a basic function of a robot, which is dancing. The user can stop the dance by touching his head or any place with touching sensor. So, and there are more functions which you can test by yourself if you have the device. And okay, let's move down. So here is a HD camera. So there are two cameras built in the robot. So the developer can decide which one to be used based on their requirements or their demands. Okay, and go down. Here the white spot is a human body detect sensor, which can be used to detect the human body on front of the robot, and it will allow the robot to know whether there are humans on front of it or not. And the black spot is a distance detect sensor, which uses infrared to detect the distance between the robot and other object. It can be used for obstacle avoidance function. And for this part is a subwoofer. and there are 2 more speakers over there. So there are 4 speakers and 1 subwoofer built in the robot. So the voice quality of the robot is very good. And for this black line is used to receive the signal from our charging pile, and it can be used for auto charging function. When the battery level goes down to a certain level, the robot will go charge automatically. Okay. And for this part is the wings or the hand of the robot. So there are also a touch sensor built in the wings, built-in wing. So when user touches the wings, the robot will also react to the touch. And this is on the back side. There are one more human body detector sensor, which will allow the robot to know whether there are humans standing behind it or not. So here I'm going to show you some basic function of the robot. So for example, the gesture control, which takes advantage of the 3D camera module. So it will allow the user to take control of the robot by using their hand. Okay. Okay. As you can see,